And chiropractors are still seeing patients during the pandemic. However, they've had to adjust how they work on people.
Fox 18's Chase Davis spoke with a chiropractor about those changes.
Dr. Dan Nices says that he's cleaning his office and equipment more heavily and limiting the amount of contact his patients are having with each other.
Well, we're taking all and any necessary precautions to keep everything in the office sanitized, disinfected, wiping down in between each patient. We're also scheduling accordingly, so there's not any overlap with patients coming in the office.
Nices says that chiropractic adjustments can help keep your body's defenses strong.
Chiropractic does wonders to help boost the immune system. A well-functioning immune system is going to help fight any virus, any cold you may pick up. I'm not saying it's going to cure or fix the coronavirus, but it can help boost your immune system.
Nices also says that visits to your chiropractor can be beneficial to the healthcare system, while doctors and hospitals are focusing on fighting coronavirus.
Because I think people know that this is a good thing. We are an essential business. If you do have an acute lower back issue or neck problem, you should go to see your chiropractor and stay out of the emergency rooms and stay away from your medical doctor. They actually don't want to see you right now.
I'm Chase Davis for Fox 18 News.
Nices also says that older patients who are at higher risk can make special accommodations to be the only patients of the day if they are concerned about exposure.